Youniverse with AuthenticUniverse.com. That's AuthenticUniverse.com. We're going to do a 20-minute workout video. We're not going to be too focused on exactly how to get it done. We're just going to spend 20 minutes getting our heart rate up and enjoying it. We're going to use some dumbbells. Got a jump rope. If you don't have a jump rope, you can just jump. If you want some music or something to keep you going, go to AuthenticUniverse.com. Actually, go to the Authentic Universe YouTube page. You can look at our playlist. This is the Authentic Experiences playlist, and the music you're listening to is the Authentic Music playlist. But I'm going to get ready to the workout. Follow along if you like to, or just watch and criticize, which is a lot easier to do. All right, I'm going to start with some jumping rope. Key to a jump rope is to have a long one. This one isn't very long, so I'm going to have to hunch a little bit. I'm going to do it for about 2 minutes, and we're going to try to do at least 5 rounds of 5-minute rounds. So the first 5 minutes of jumping rope, that's going to be it. All right. Make sure that this doesn't fall off here. When you're jumping rope, don't worry so much about jumping as much as breathing. And the jumping will come. You excited for 25 minutes of this? I'm going to change up these rounds. There's no way I'm jumping for 5 minutes with this jump rope. It's smacking me upside the head. So what we're going to do, jump rope isn't working, jumping jacks. Simple. Nice little warm up. Breathing deep. Taking the breath all the way up to your lungs. Maybe a little beat. All right, we got about 2 more minutes left. I'm going to change it up from the jumping. We'll just do a little bit of boxing. Plant your feet, left foot out in front. Get this left hand to the front as well. Some Muay Thai stance. Right leg extended out like this. Never let this leg get crossed by this leg. So it's always front here. So we're doing just a couple jabs. No, I want to know about Grammarly. I hear that Grammarly is going to teach me how to not. Probably shouldn't do that with advertisers, but yeah. Ready? You get the next song. All right. So we're going to do just another minute of jabs. Just going to do left, right, left, hook, left, right, left, hook, left, right. Actually, that's left, right, left. Yeah. We're going to move this for a second. Change it up. Do a left, right, and then left hook. Take it slow. Left, right, and hook. When you do the hook, you want to actually twist your whole body. Twist this left ankle. Boom. Bah, bah, bah. You got to spin a little bit when you do it. Hold up your guard. Cover up your face. We do left hook, right punch. A little bit of defense. Left, step back. Now the cardio's over. About 5 minutes of cardio. Woo! Now feeling it. Don't stop. Put your arms up or just jump with it. The key to this is 20 minutes and we just keep going. Even if you can't go fast, even if what you're doing is kind of weak, keep moving. Listen to the music. Let it flow through you. Makes the time go by. Just try to stay on beat. What we're going to do now is a little bit of weight exercise. If you have two dumbbells, I got 20 pounds here. Now this is going to be a lot to do too much. This is going to do 12 simple curls. Deep breath. You start with cardio, your muscle workouts will intensify because you have all this oxygen, your heart's pounding. So it really gives you a great opportunity to increase your muscles a lot quicker when you do that warm-up. So start out with a warm-up, do something like a bike exercise, get on the treadmill. You want to bring this all the way up. I lost count, but let's assume that's 6. We'll go 7. Deep breath. 8. 9. 10. 2 more. 1. And 2. We don't want to stop right there. This is 5 minutes of weights. You're doing the arms right now. Shoulder press. Pop up, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, deep breath. 6. Working out's not hard, it's the breathing that's hard. So when I'm talking and working out, it complicates things. I don't know how people talk on the phone and get on the treadmill. That's not working out. All right. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if that was 12, but it's okay. That's for a couple seconds. Time left we have. Yeah, 3 more minutes. We're gonna do a little bit of a combination shoulder and tricep workouts. And here, 1, 12, 2. That's it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice and slow. Hold it. Oh. All right. Got a minute left. So I just want to keep the heart rate up. Keep breathing. Keep moving. I got some 10-pound weights here. Hit deep breath. Right here. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, 9 more. 1, 2. It's good to have some music to continue to go and allow the music to be something to focus on. 1, 2. 3. Got 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so that's 2 sets. The first one was a cardio. Next one's weight. We're going to go to a little yoga exercise. Do a kind of a vinyasa flow. So that has a combination of the cardio, combination of the weights, isolations, and you get a good stretch in. So we're just going to start in. Open arms up. Lean back. nice flexibility. Your back. All the way down. Deep breath. Bring it all the way back up. And then we start our vinyasa flow. Jump down if you can. Do a little push up. Come up. Come back. And stay here for a little bit. Make sure you have your feet all the way to the ground. Let's hold here for a bit. Bring that left knee up. To get a little bit of strength in your stomach. 1, 2, 1, 2. We'll do 12 of these. 1, 2. Lose the count again. We're about 3. Let's go. This is 4. And 4. And 5. 5. 6. 6. Whew. Got 6 more. You're tired, just stay in this resting position. Beads of sweat are a good thing. Since it's only 20 minutes, you don't have really much time to stop. Each time you do it, you get a little better. Just push yourself. Got 4 more. 5, 2, 3, 4. Go down to our knees. Get a nice deep back stretch. Arms down. Clasp your hands together. Head, forehead to your mat. Take a deep breath. Now, if you didn't get tired from that, next time you try to work out, just push yourself a little bit more. It's a great opportunity for rest. This is the most rest we're going to do. So, don't rest for more than 5 to 10 seconds. Now, going to more of a stretch series. That was more physical. Knees together, bring arms back. Stretch it out. Deep breaths here. It's another resting series, but it also is going to strengthen your legs. Get your straighter back. Get your breath back if you lost it. And if you haven't lost it, next time, push yourself. Got DJ Scribbles over here, mixing up the fly fish. This is a deep stretch. Grab your feet. Go as far down as you can. It's about as far as I can go. I'm just going to go here, holding this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's do more of a vinyasa flow and less of a vinyasa stance. So, come up, all the way back, come down, hop into a vinyasa push-up. Come on up, back up. Whoa. Woo! Get down, up again. The deeper you can go, better the stretch. Stretch out again. Push up. Stretch up. Back. Deep breaths. Flow all the way back. We'll do 2 more of those flows as easy as you can. Come all the way down. It's really good to stretch the back. That flexibility in there keeps you young. Allows your body to flow naturally. Oxygen, get to all the vital organs. Reach down, all the way up, all the way back. We're going to do 1 more. All the way down. Take a deep breath. Hold it there. Right here, we're going to hold it for a couple seconds. Let's take it 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, last couple, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go all the way down. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Boost, pop. All right. All right, so that should be about it. We're getting time here. So that's at our 15-minute point. So for the last 5 minutes, we want to keep going and keep the pace up. We're going to make sure that we also cool down. So we're going to do more of a stretching combination, less yoga, more just deep stretching. So I think the best way to do that is to I'm going to lay back. Actually, I don't do it this way. You lay back, and if you can, what you want to do is you want to flip, take your feet, and bring it back over this way. And then just slowly, if you can, bring it back here. What the? Jeez. We're just going to stay in this for a little bit. Breathing deeply, making sure your neck isn't too uncomfortable. Anytime you feel uncomfortable, definitely just take a rest. Bring your legs back if you can for a little bit. I'm going to pop back up. We're not going to stop there. See if we can do kind of advanced. First time I did this, I flipped over, landed on the TV stand, knocked everything over. So take your time. Don't just jump right into it. Like your boyfriend from beginning. Just my butt swell. Actually, that's to do about I know I'm not making this look easy because it's not. But after a while practicing, you do it against the wall to ensure that you can't hurt yourself. That's the best way to start. But it's a great workout. Balance, focus on your breathing. It's going to go into vinyasa or lay down position. We'll call this a snowman. We'll just stand here. Enjoy the hard workout. Before we end, do a little bit of assessing with our back. So what we're going to do is take our right elbow over our left knee. If you can lock that in, take this left hand, reach it back as far as you can. You get a good stretch. Have your head facing south or north, depending on where you are. Take a deep breath. Hold it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do the other side. So we take this left elbow to this right knee. Over here, take your right arm, reach it all the way back. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Great stretch. We're going to put this in our legs. Take our right knee, take it all the way over to the left side of the ground. So once you can, take the knee, and if you put it down, try to keep your left foot straight, and take your right arm and put it over this way. Not easier when you try to do it than to just hear it being done. And this is a great stretch for your back as well. If you can, you take this left hand to pull down the right knee. Just stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to switch it up. Bring this left knee all the way to the right. And allow our left arm to come over to the left. Take our right hand, put it over our left knee to bring it down to the right side. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20-minute workout. It's going to make you feel amazing. It's going to allow you to focus. It's going to allow you to really get some energy going. We got about, so we're at the 20-minute point. Now, the reality is, to get your cardiovascular fitness going, you need at least about 20 minutes. So I would recommend at least 20-minute workout a day. And if you can do more, that's great. Start out with a 20-minute cardio workout and then do different things like that. The combination that we did, you can extend that. You can do at least 4 different sets of 5 minutes. So if you do 4 different sets of 5 minutes of all those different types of exercises, it'll get you closer to an hour. Appreciate you taking the time to take a look at this workout video. Go to AuthenticUniverse.com and tell us a little bit more about the experiences that you were able to see here. And take a look at our Authentic Universe YouTube. We're also on Pinterest. And that's about it. My name is Donald Bird with Authentic Universe. Thanks for hanging out with us. See you next time.